Poem to my next red month. I hope you are not coming soon. I don't want to have nightmares of last June. With you, I learn the most. You always keep me humble and remind me to never boast. Avoiding you is impossible, but knowing that I am unstoppable will give me the strength to keep going when green seems unachievable. Red, red, red is what I will say when I'm having my worst day. But knowing that you are showing me a better way is what will bring about the brighter days. Keep pushing is what my brother will say when I call him and it's another red day. Red, the color of rage, the enemy of discipline. I will have to be careful to not get caught slipping. Emotions will rise, but prayers will keep me calm in the most trial of times. Staying focused on the task at hand and knowing that success and loneliness goes hand in hand will bring about the future that I crave so bad. Red, I love you. I hate you. It's just so sad.